Oh god. I just hiccuped up. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Oh my god. I'm dying. No, I'm kidding. Oh my god, I hate hiccups. I hate hiccups. Hiccups is so uncomfortable. Oh god. This is not good. I hate the hiccups. I hate this. Oh my god! I always can never control them! I know what song I'm doing. Drexel, thank you so much for the super! You sounded great, brings you back to my edgy middle school days. No! I keep I hate this! My hiccups are always so violent. It like shakes my whole body too. Drexel, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate it. I'm glad you had a midi. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ugh, I hate having the hiccups. It's so awful. It really, I hate it so much. I hate that. Tell yourself you're not a fish. But I am a fish. I'm not a fish. I'm not a fish. God damn it. Killer, to make hiccup go away, trust me on this one. Take a cup of water, close your nose with one hand, don't breathe for 10 seconds. While on those 10 seconds, drink the water. Okay. I'm doing it. Killer, use your yourself. You're not a fish. It wasn't very effective. No. Oh god! I hate this. I hate the hiccups so much. I sound stupid. You're a mammal, not a fish. I'm a mammal. I'm a mammal. I'm a mammal. Have boobs. I'm a mammal. Okay, I think it stopped.